welcome back to my channel, you guys. It is Shanetta, better known as Celestial Curls, and I got my curl box in with some new products from none other than Aunt Jackie's. I will let you all see that, zoom in on that on you. Aunt Jackie's new Grapeseed Style and Shine recipes. So yes, I got my curl box for the month of July. Hopefully I get this out to you all while it's still July. And it has the new collection from Aunt Jackie's. And they named this specific box Greatness. We were given 5 of the products from the collection, full-size bottles. There's also one other item, and that is the edge control, which I do not have that. So I'll be using my own edge control or different edge control. But we got the shampoo, the recovery conditioner, we got a setting mist, we got a foam, and we got a gel. Those are the things that we got, and I'm going to try to use all of these today. You already see the results on my thumbnail. I am going to do a ponytail, basically slick back ponytail. Well, I don't know right now if I'm gonna do it slick back or if I'm gonna do a part. I don't know, but you'll see in my thumbnail what I do. And this is the ponytail that I got. I got this from my local beauty supply store. It's the Freetress Equal Luxury Integration Drawstring Ponytail, and I got her in Kinky Jerry Curl. I'm going to go ahead and take her out of the package. That's what she looks like right there. Pull that out so y'all can see it. Have not done anything to it. Only thing I am going to do to this pony, which comes with the net, the old cafeteria woman net. Y'all remember those from the cafeteria lady? She had to put these on. I'm like, what is it protecting? Look at that. What is this? What was this protecting in lunch? I'm just honestly trying to figure this out. No, but seriously, y'all. So this is the pony and what it looks like. And I do want to actually fluff this out because I don't want the pony to be like super defined. Just fluffing it. So I'm just going through and making this frizzy and making this a little bit more realistic. Now I will say the only thing I don't like about this drawstring pony already, y'all, is the smell. It has like a chemical smell. Like I said, I got it from the beauty supply store. Like, you know how dolls have that chemical smell on their hair? That's what this smells like. But it is a synthetic ponytail, so I don't know what I was expecting. So you can just keep doing it until it's to your liking. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll come back and I'm gonna come back and just hop right into shampooing my hair. I'll talk about the products. It's probably be a video with voiceovers because I don't want it to be too long, but I'll come back after I get this done and I've started shampooing. Alright, you guys, so I'm not gonna go into my whole prep routine, but I did use Aunt Jackie's collection and I was very impressed with this entire collection. Everything was so moisturized and prepped my hair so well for this style. And I will leave all of the products down in the description box, so if you want to go purchase them, you can. Now I will say the key to getting your hair to be slicked back when you have thick hair is a lot of slip. So I did use a cream and then I used the foam from this collection to get my hair really slippery, to have a lot of slip so I can slick it back. So to mold the ponytail, of course, you need gel, and I do several ponytails in order to create one ponytail. So I start off with one in the back, I mold that down, and put a tie in, which I'll link those back down below. So once I had that to my liking, I move on to the next one. I did 3 separate ponytails and to get into one ponytail. So I slick it all back into that one ponytail, but 3 different sections basically. And I'm not getting it super perfect because I'm going to have a curly ponytail. If you want it to be straight, you're going to have to blow your hair out. After I've gotten that to my liking, I go ahead and do a little bit to my baby hairs. I don't do a lot, put a little black edge control on there, swoop it, and go on about my business. I ain't trying to be too fancy with the baby hairs. Y'all can do that, but I'm keeping it on the simpler side. To get the hair to dry flat, I use the little strips. Now, men usually use these in the barbershop around their necks, but you can also use these to mold your hair. They sell them at the beauty supply store. They have them on Amazon. If I can find a link on Amazon, I will link that down below. But I got mine from the beauty supply store for like $1 and some change. And I just cover my whole entire front portion of my head with this so that it can mold down and dry flat. As for my puff, I just chunky twist and bobby pin into a ball. I sat under my hoodie dryer for about 45 minutes to get the outer layer completely dry. The back of my ponytail, of course, didn't dry all the way, but I just went and put my scarves on and let it dry overnight. The gel already gives a great shine, but for extra shine, I spray the shine balls. Finally, I add the pony, which comes with 2 combs. I attach it to the top and bottom of my bun and then wrap the drawstring around the bun for extra security. You can also use bobby pins to further secure the ponytail. That is all, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will see you all in my next video.